The most dangerous prison is not made of bars. It is made of fear. King Herod knew John the Baptist was right. He listened to him. He respected him. But when the moment came to choose, Herod chose people over God. One promise, one wrong decision, and an innocent man lost his life. This is how sin works, not in big moments, but in small compromises. We delay obedience. We silence our conscience. We choose comfort instead of truth. John the Baptist lost his head, but he kept his soul. Herod kept his power, but he lost his peace. Today, God is speaking truth to your heart. Do not silence that voice. Choose God, even when it is uncomfortable. Because obedience may cost you something, but disobedience cost you everything. Amen.